Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're struggling with connection issues in Simplifi, that handy app for managing your finances, you're in the right place. These problems can be super frustrating, especially when you're trying to track your budget or sync your bank accounts. But don't worry, I'm going to guide you through some straightforward fixes that should get you connected in no time. First things first, start with the basics. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable or try switching to mobile data. A weak signal is often the culprit behind these issues. Open another app that requires internet and see if it works. If not, restart your router or modem. Next, give the Simplifi app a fresh start. Simply close the app completely and reopen it. This can clear temporary glitches that might be causing the problem. If you're on a mobile device, force quit the app from your recent apps menu. If that doesn't do the trick, check for updates. Developers frequently release patches for bugs like this, so head to your app store, search for Simplifi, and install any available updates. Keeping your app up to date is key to avoiding ongoing issues. Another helpful step is to clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Simplifi, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, you might need to offload the app or restart your device to achieve a similar effect. This removes any corrupted data that's blocking connections. If you're still facing problems, it could be related to your linked accounts. Try logging out of Simplifi and logging back in, or manually reconnect your bank accounts through the app's settings. Double-check your login credentials while you're at it. Finally, if none of these steps work, it's time to reach out for help. Contact Simplifi's support team through their website or in app options. They can dig deeper into account-specific issues. And there you have it. With these simple troubleshooting tips, you should be back to seamless budgeting in no time. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tech advice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.